Ready, start. It was contended on behalf of the respondents before the High Court that the contract lacked the express wording necessary for it to be considered a valid and binding agreement to refer the disputes to arbitration. Stop. Specifically, the absence of the term the parties agreeing in writing to be bound by the decision of an arbitral tribunal, was highlighted by the respondent number 1 to contend that clause 18 of the development agreement was not enforceable. Stop. To buttress this plea, reliance was placed on the decisions of this court in Bihar State Mineral Development Corporation and another versus Enkan Builders Private Limited and Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation Limited and another versus Deepak Cables India Limited, wherein it was held that in cases of exclusion of attributes of an arbitration agreement from a dispute resolution clause, it would not amount to a valid arbitration agreement. Stop. Respondents further urged that it was crucial that the parties should have agreed that the decision of the private tribunal in respect of the disputes will be binding on them. Stop. Para. Although the High Court void the impugned judgment dated 7/7/2021 acknowledged the existence of clause 18 in the agreement that provides for disputes to be referred to arbitration, it accepted the contentions of the respondents and came to the conclusion that clause 18 indeed lacks certain essential ingredients of a valid arbitration agreement, as it does not mandate that the decision of the arbitrator will be final and binding on the parties. Stop. Consequently, the High Court dismissed the application as not maintainable. Stop. The aggrieved appellant is now before this court. Stop. Para. Notice was issued to the respondents on 2010-2021 as per the office report dated 18/8/2022, they have been duly served but have not entered appearance. Stop. Be accordingly proceeded to hear the matter ex parte on 22/8/2022. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant vehemently urged that clause 18 crystallizes the intention of the parties to refer disputes between them to arbitration and to be bound by the decision of the arbitrator. Stop. The High Court failed to read into the intention of the parties and erroneously drew in an inference contrary to the spirit and object of clause 18. Stop. According to him, the clause clearly mentions that all the disputes or differences arising between the parties are to be referred to arbitration of a sole arbitrator mutually appointed, failing which the dispute shall be referred to a tribunal consisting of 3 arbitrators. Stop. Moreover, there is no alternative provided in the agreement other than the arbitration for the purpose of resolution of the disputes. Stop. Even the governing law of the arbitration had been agreed upon by the parties as the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, manifesting their animus to be bound by the decision of the arbitrator. Stop. There are also no specific exclusions of any attributes of an arbitration agreement in clause 18 as envisaged by this court in Deepak Cables, which in turn relied upon Jagdish Chandra versus Ramesh Chandra and others. Stop. Para. Finally, it was submitted that this court has time and again held that an arbitration clause need not be penned down in any specific form. Stop. The High Court was thus not justified in holding that Clause 18 of the Development Agreement did not meet the essential criteria of a valid arbitration clause.